Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we'll see how to set alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the clock app on your smartphone. From here, just tap on alarm. Now from here to set an alarm, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just set the time for the alarm. Just like that. Now from here, just select the days of the weeks when you want to enable this alarm. And from here, you can set a name for this alarm. Now from here, you can change the alarm sound from here. Just like that. Now once you do that, now from here you can enable or disable the vibration for the alarm. And from here you can set a time for snooze. Just like that. Now once you have set your alarm, just tap on save. Now as you can see, this is how you can set an alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.